Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair, her hair.
Hi, let's begin with the introduction. So here's the first chart, and you will have the F major composed of the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. Then, the D minor composed of the D, the F, and the A, and the bass note of D. And eventually, the A sharp major composed of the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. And here's the first method I'm going to teach you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this for every chord.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And now here's a new method where you're going to play in arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, you do this for every chord.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And here's another method where you could play the melody. So let me show you a rearranged chart, and this time you will play like this. So with your right hand, you will play the F and its octave twice. Then the F and the C twice. Then F and A sharp, F and A, F and A sharp, F, C 3 times. And all together it will sound like this. And for the bass notes, you could either play 2 bass notes, or you can play those 8 times, so on each beat. And in any case, you will need to play one of these charts once for the introduction. You could now move on to the verse using the first chart.
Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah.
Or in arpeggio,
I know, when I compliment her she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see you.
so whether you play it as block chords or arpeggios, you will need to play the chart twice for the verse. Let's now move on to the chorus with the same chart.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when
You could also play in arpeggio.
when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when
And you could even play the melody that I showed you earlier. 3, 4.
And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah.
think you've got it, this chart and these 3 playing methods will work for the entire song. So I suggest you give it a try. I wish you good luck for this one and I will see you in the next one.